Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the second unit of the engineering drawing 2, that is orthographic projections, where a 3D object will be given. Okay, you have to convert it into three principal planes, get its top, front and the side view of an object. Okay, this will be our main intention. So what is orthographic projection? If you say orthographic projection is nothing but a technical drawing in which different views of an object is projected on different reference planes by observing the perpendicular to the respective reference plane. Orthographic projection is nothing but a 3D object given to you, okay, from which you have to view from the different perspectives or from different views and project these on the reference planes, these planes, okay, on different planes. These reference planes are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so we'll try to find out the different planes. At this, as you can see, it is given in your definition. So which are the different planes we'll first study to understand? Horizontal plane, okay, horizontal plane. Second is VP, that is vertical plane. Sorry, there is a misprinting. Vertical has been not there, so try to put it next time. Okay, then PP, that is your side or profile plane. The side is also called as profile plane. So sometimes it might be written as SP or it might sometimes written as PP. So both are same. Okay, now we'll try to understand the different views. We have understood the different reference plane, that is horizontal plane, it is HP, vertical plane VP, side or profile plane PP. Okay, we'll try to understand the different views. Okay, that is front view, okay, that is projected on VP. As I said in the projections of solids also, that the front view will be always projected of the VP if we are using the first angle quadrant. Okay, what is this first angle quadrant? Will be learning the coming slides. Okay, so the front view will always be on the VP and the top view is projected on horizontal plane, that is HP, and the side view is projected on the profile plane or the side plane. Okay, so as it is said that if you want your front view to be always on VP, as it is written here, if you always want your front view in VP, then your object should be in the first quadrant. So what is this first quadrant now? Okay, it is nothing but these are the reference planes. Okay, it is HP, okay, VP and side plane or PP or SP, right? These are the separate planes. So if we, and you can see that these are perpendicular to each other, these are perpendicular to each other. So when these plane meet at a perpendicular at 90 degrees, they make four sections. It is first, okay, we go clockwise like this, okay, we go clockwise. Second quadrant is this, third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Okay, these are the four quadrants. When these reference planes meet at a 90 degrees to each other, they make an 4 sections. So these sections are called as quadrant. We go from the right hand top side in a clockwise direction. Okay, we go in the clockwise direction like this. So okay, then that the first will become the first quadrant, second quadrant, third, and the fourth quadrant. The important are the first and the third quadrant. Okay, and the drawings are done in these two quadrants only. Okay, the orthographical projections or the principal views are drawn into the first and the third quadrant. Why it is done in the first and the second third quadrant only? So that you will get a proper idea or a design picture of then 3D object. If you the projected views which are required, you might not get in the second and the fourth quadrant. Okay, so we will go for first and the second. Okay, but for your syllabus you will be having only the first quadrant as per the Indian standards. Okay, we have to use only first quadrant to get the principal views of a 3D object. Okay, as per the Indian standards we are uh, going to solve for the only for first angle or first quadrant. Okay, so this is your first quadrant where uh, below there is HP, the front VP, and for the left hand side you have PP, that is your profile plane or the side plane. Okay, yeah. So now I will try to understand what is third angle or third quadrant. Okay, this is your third quadrant where the object will be below HP. Okay, and in front of VP. This is your VP, this is your HP. Okay, and this is your the where the SP is written, the side view, that is your profile plane. These the colored portion are the planes. Okay, the colored portion are planes. Okay, and the objects projected views will fall on these planes where you will get front view, top view on the HP, and side view on the PP. Okay, the difference between a third, as per the Indian standards, we are not going to use the third quadrant. Okay, okay. So what is the difference between the first and the third quadrant? In the first quadrant, you will get your front view in VP. You can see here. You will get your front view on the VP, that is vertical plane, and you will get your top view on the horizontal plane. In the case of third quadrant, it is reverse. You will get your front view on the VP. Okay, and your top view will be below HP, not above HP. Okay, that is a difference here. So, and we will not get a proper image of the top view, so we will not going to use the third angle method. Okay, now we will try to understand okay how this first angle method or Okay, how these are the patterns and the views. Okay, how you are going to understand, we'll try to understand the concept of this first quadrant or first angle method. Okay, if you can see, this image, you can see the first quadrant here, that is your VP, HP and PP. If you take the horizontal plane and rotate around the 90 degrees, okay, if you rotate around the 90 degrees such a way that it comes in plane with the HP, like this. If you bring this horizontal plane, revolve it around 90 degrees, okay, such a way that it makes a, it is in the plane of, it is in the now same plane, it is in the same plane of that of VP, right? Now what we're going to do is, we have brought the HP in line with VP, so we'll try to turn profile plane into 90 degrees such that, okay, to the side we rotate the horizontal plane downwards at 90 degrees and profile plane to the sidewards in 90 degrees such a way that it comes in the plane of VP, right? Okay, so what happens is, here, because the object is in 3D, we want their principal views. So once, if you want to draw the object's principal views, that is top, okay, front and side views, we have to draw it in the two-dimensional way. So we are going to turn these planes such a way that it gives us only two-dimensional objects or views. Okay, that is a why we turn or rotate this horizontal plane downwards and vertical plates to the right hand side of the VP, such so that we'll get the two-dimensional views or the objects, to get the proper idea about the top, front and the side view of an object. Okay, understanding why this quadrant is important. Quadrant is important because to turn the object, 3D object, into the two-dimensional object, these quadrants are rotated to an angle of 90 degrees, okay, so that we get a 2D views. Okay, here you can see question is given. We'll try to solve a problem here. Okay, draw the three principal views of a given object. This might be a question, or they might say draw the orthographical views for the given object. So we'll see the object how it is. You can see there are the whole object is colored into three colors. Okay, it is colored into three colors. Okay, and the dimension of this object is given to you, and with an arrow mark in front, it is said this is your front view. It is telling you that this part is front view. Okay, if you have seen the object, okay, you will see that the white portion or the gray portion is your front portion. Whatever you can see in the gray color will be in your front view. Okay, whatever you are seeing in the golden color, that will be your top view. This is also top view. Whatever you are looking at, It is the gray color will be your front view, and whatever the object is of golden color it will be a top view. Okay, and at the side you can see the object is colored with the blue color. This the blue color will be your PP or side view, profile plane or side view. So to make you understand what which part of the object is a top view, which part of the object is side view and front view, I have differentiated with the different colors so that it becomes very easy to understand. So the front portion, which is colored with gray, is your front view. And the color, the portion which is painted with the golden color is the top view, and the object or the portion which is painted with the blue color is your side view. Okay, so here you are going to draw first the principal axis like this. Okay, xy and xy dash line. Once you get this line, in this quadrant you are going to draw your front view. Okay, understand this is very important. In where you are going to draw the front view, at the left corner you are going to draw your front view. Okay, then and below the front view at the bottom portion you are going to draw your top view, and to the right hand side of the front view you are going to draw a profile view. It is your side view. Okay, this is very important. Keep in mind where you are going to draw top view, front view and the side view. Okay, so with the given dimension, start drawing whatever is in the front view. Start drawing it. See what is this portion. If you can see the below portion of 140 mm by 20 mm is been drawn. Okay, this is your central portion of how much the height of total height of 100 mm. Okay, if you can see it's 60 plus 20 and above 20 it is, so it is 100 mm. Okay, then its sides, whatever you are being able to see in the front view, that the gray color painted portion you are going to draw in the top view. Now project these lines, project this object below like this. Okay, because the bottom and the hand portion are of same size, I am just projecting the directly from the bottom portion. If the sizes are different, then you have to project it from the upper portion. Okay, and what is the size of the below portion? Now you are going to see what you have completed with the front view. Now you have to draw what the top view, the portion which is painted with the golden color. You have to just see the measurements and draw it, right? And okay, once you are done with the top view, okay, now what you have to do is you want to draw the side view of it. right? We want to draw it a side view. Where you are going to draw it? You are going to draw to the right hand side of your front view. So to project the lines from the top view, you are going to draw a 45 degrees line like this, okay, and project the lines. Okay, once you project the lines, um, if you can see the problem given to you, the portion which is painted with blue color, same you are going to mark it here. You will see same portions you are able to see. You can see this portion, right? You are able to see here, right? And this bottom portion can see here. This is your portion. Dimension will remain same. The dimensions which are taken from the if you have taken the precautions while drawing the front and the top view, you did not look for the dimensions in the side view because you're just projecting the lines. Dimension will remain same. If you can see this part, you can see here, right? So now what you're going to do is, once you have projected it, completed drawing, right, of the given dimensions. Whatever the given dimensions are, you have to draw it for it. Okay, this is how you are going to draw the front view, top view, and side view. Okay, this is a left hand side view because the object side which is shown, it is left. The blue color portion is from the left side. Okay, so it is left side view drawn to the right hand side. If they give the left hand side portion, you have to draw it on the right hand side. If they give right hand side portion view, you have to draw it on the left hand side. Okay, it is about drawing the, this is all about drawing the three principal views of the given